Hi, today I'm going to go over the switch statements. First, I'm just going to comment out the codes I did in the last video. And then I'm just going to create a divider here. I'm just going to call this a switch statement. And I'm just going to define what a switch statement is. A switch statement is similar to else if statements, except it compares only one data. So it's similar to an else if statement, except it compares only one data. So the structure of the switch statement is switch data, and then we have case value, case true value, and then we have break, and we also have statements. So this is the structure of the switch statements, and then we have a default statement, default case. So here we're going to create our switch statement. We're just going to create a integer. Int1 equals 1, 2, 3. We're just going to supply the int1 to the data. We're going to check the case. If the case is 1 to 5, then we want to set a colon here, and then we want break, and our statements goes inside the break. Goes before the break, and then let's say cout found else if. The else if is just another case, 1, 2, 3, and colon found 2, and then if it's not found, then we have a default case. And I don't think we need break here. Let's remove that. The default case is cout default. Now let's run this program, and if we run it, we just see found 2 runs. Found 2 displayed. So let's run this program. Here's the found 2. Oh, I guess we do need we forgot a break here. That's why you see default. Let's run this program again. Here, found 2. And then let's see. Let's add let's change this to false, and let's see default runs. Let's run this program, and here you can see default. So if none of them are true, default runs. So this is similar to else. This is else if, and this is if. So you can have multiple else if, and you can have multiple cases. So this is it for the switch statements, and thank you for watching.